Hi, I'm Rama. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. This law protects women from violence at home and gives them the tools to break free from abuse. In this video, I will walk you through every step, your rights, and the legal protections this act offers. What is the Domestic Violence Act? The Domestic Violence Act was enacted in 2005 to protect women from domestic violence. The law defines domestic violence as physical, emotional, sexual, and economic abuse by a partner of family member or in-laws. It's important to understand that domestic violence isn't just the physical abuse. It includes verbal abuse, emotional torture, sexual harassment, and denial of basic necessities like food or housing. Who can file a complaint under the Domestic Violence Act? Under the Domestic Violence Act, any woman who is facing abuse from a partner or family member or in-laws can file a complaint. This includes wives, daughters, and mothers, female live-in partners, women in a relationship of domestic partnership. If the woman has been subjected to any form of violence to threat, she has the right to seek protection under this act. What rights does the Domestic Violence Act provide? First one, protection orders. The court can issue protection orders to stop the abuser from continuing the violence. These orders can bar the abuser from entering your home or contacting you. Residence orders. A residence order allows you to stay in your marital or now living house or shared home. Even if the abuser is still living there, the court can direct the abuser to vacate the residence if needed. Third one, custody and maintenance. If you have children, you can seek child custody and maintenance through the Domestic Violence Act. The court ensures that the children are safe and their basic needs are met. Fourth one, monetary relief. The law allows the women to receive monetary relief to cover medical expenses, loss of earnings, and other costs caused by the violence. How to file a complaint? Let's walk through the process of filing a complaint under the Domestic Violence Act. First one, approach the police or a protection officer. You can file a complaint at the police station or with a protection officer appointed by the government. They are tasked with assisting you. Next step, file a domestic violence complaint. Submit a detailed complaint of the abuse you have faced, including evidence, if any, like photographs, medical reports, and witnesses' statements. Third step, court hearing and orders. The court will schedule a hearing where both you and abuser will present your case. The court will issue protection orders, residence orders, and maintenance as required. Step 4, enforcement. Once the court issues an order, the police or protection officer ensures that the abuser complies with it. If the abuser violates the orders, legal action can be taken. Next, fifth one, important sections to know under the Domestic Violence Act. Here are the some key sections that protect you under the Domestic Violence Act. Section 12, filing the application for relief. Section 18 to 22, protection, residence, custody and maintenance orders. Section 23, interim orders, immediate relief for women in distress. You or someone you know is experiencing abuse, please know that you are not alone. There is help available and you have legal rights under the Domestic Violence Act to protect yourself and your family. Please consult an advocate or approach the police immediately if you need protection. Remember, you don't need to suffer in silence. Reach out for help today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment with any questions you have. For more legal insights and tips, don't forget to subscribe to Legal Light with Rama and get more legal tips.